Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to edit header. To edit header, you can go to insert menu, click on header, drop down menu and then choose edit header. So in here you can add page number by clicking at these icons, page number. You can set in the top of page, bottom of page or page margin in here, the other current position. I will set into top of page, like I will click at this option and the number will be shown in the right of the page. You also can set for the date or time by clicking at these icons, and this is for the document info. If you don't, you can click close header and footer. To edit again, you can double click like this and will be shown for header and footer menu. You can change by clicking at the option. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to edit header. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.